Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 10 and we are at 0.005%. So let's see what happened on day 10. So on day 10 our expenditure just reached minus $61.6 because we made an investment in the channel, and our AdSense revenue up to this point is $113.4, and that makes us our total profit $51.8. Our investments are, our investment, because we only made one purchase yet, is new microphones, so you can hear me better. It's a HyperX SoloCast microphone and it costs $61.6. And the top comment box is still empty. If you have any ideas that we should try, leave them in the comments and we are going to implement the most liked ones. So let's jump into the YouTube studio and see what happened on day 10. So our subscriber count is at 1,679 subscribers. Today we posted quite a few videos and I also tried a new thing. I uploaded a YouTube short 20-second video which showcases a MacBook trick, which is a cool thing that you might not know, and my proposition just succeeded because our short just went viral. As you can see, in the last 60 minutes it made 363 views, which is, it's subjective. In comparison to huge channels it might not be too much, but for our small little channel this is a huge improvement and a huge viral hit. As you can see, in 6 hours it has 680 views, which is great in my opinion. And let's see our revenue statistics for this day. Also the general statistics: 69,000 views in the last 28 days, 979 hours watch time. Our subscriber count is at 262, and our estimated revenue, as I mentioned before, is $113.4. Let's see our revenue statistics. How is our RPM? So we still don't have a legit RPM because we do not have 28 days of monetization. This is only our 10th day, but you can see that it is going to be around $4 because 4.6 is this line, the second line, and our RPM is around this line, so it should be around $5. Actually, let's check. If we set it to 7 days, then yeah, we can see that in the last 7 days our RPM is 5.13, which is great. That's a great RPM. I think it is big, mostly because we have quite a few financial related videos, crypto videos also, and they have a higher RPM. Let's see our most profitable videos. Our top most profitable video is still the how to earn interest on cryptocurrency video with the Coinbase wallet. The second most profitable is the how to use Revolut Junior, which is, this video has quite a few views. Every single day it is in the top 5 most viewed videos, but the topic is very profitable because Revolut, if you do not know, is like a financial app, and that is why it has a higher rating. And yeah, these are some of our most profitable videos in the last 28 days. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you, or at least interesting. If you want to see and follow our journey on this channel, check out this playlist and you can see how we started and how are we going right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.